Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can balance your QuickBooks Online account, also known as reconciling your bank. So let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. After logging in, click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Reconcile. On the Reconcile page, choose the bank or credit card account you want to balance. Then, enter the statement ending balance and the statement ending date from your bank statement. Now you'll see a list of transactions recorded in QuickBooks. Compare these with your bank statement. Check off each transaction that matches. If the numbers don't match, don't worry. Look for missing entries, duplicate transactions, or incorrect amounts. Make adjustments until the difference shows $0. Once everything is balanced and the difference is 0, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. And that's it, you've successfully balanced your QuickBooks Online account. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.